In this video, we are going to see how setTime function works with some diagrams to understand. See the request function that takes in some parameter to work, while we are trying to send some network request. Flag variable is set to false initially, and we have named it as done. Now this function is gonna return a new promise that will either be reject or resolved, it depends. And inside of this function, we have an attempt function to handle retry case. It will try connecting to the server for limited number of times, using the help of setTimeout function. And if the retry gets successful, then promise gets resolved, else the promise is rejected. Taking about the setTimeout function. It has send method that will send network request. And it also checks if the failed variable is set to true or false. If failed is true, then it call reject method with failed pass to it. Else calls resolve with some value in it. While sending request, the done flag is set to true. And the setTimeout function, check if done flag is true, then it returns from the function. This means, the promise executed successfully, we got a value out of it. Else, if done is not true, then it checks, if the number of try is less than 3, then it will recall the attempt function, with increased value of n, that is n plus 1. Else, if the number of try got exhausted, then we will call reject method with timeout error message. Like and share this video for more. Learn more JS, hit the follow button.